Are we building bridges, Robin?
Yeah.
Let's see it go down the Wii.
Robin's too big, you will.
Robin's too big, but can you put the car on the Wii? You got the little man on there?
What's that?
There goes the truck.
Oh, this one new.
You're going to put that one on there?
Yeah.
Okay. There it goes.
Whee!
Whee!
Oh, nice out.
Another one?
Yes. Nice out.
Whee! Robin, can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Can you look at Mama and smile? How do you smile?
No.
Can you pose? You're a funny girl. Can you say, I love you?
Love you.
How do you say Christmas tree?
Let me see.
Miss tree. How do you say Christmas lights?
Let me see.
Miss lights. A pretty tree. All right.